Hello. Right, I bought this little accordion from the Great Dorset Steam Fair. It's actually a total wreck, as you can see. So you can see this. When I went a look at it, they told me, "Oh, can I play it? How can I play it if it's been soaking in water?" All these keys was all stuck in, and all these keys was down like this. So a bit stiff, which are still is now. So what I've done, I picked it up on Sunday morning, so all the bits were scattered around. It does have a tatty box for this, and the accordion was on someone else's store, so I had to search for it, didn't I? Anyway, I'm going to try and give you a tune on this. It needs awful lot of work doing to this. Get this one right again. How much did I pay for this? What do you reckon? Right, I'm going to do a little bit of playing. So, this is not right there. So it's a 12 bass, this one. When I play it, it's going to send loads of rubbish. The reason it's not working properly, a bit like Les Dawson. So it's not the best playing. Just warn you, because it's not working properly. I'm going to play Happy Wanderer. The notes are getting stuck on this, you see. So that's that note is not working. Only one reed is working when it should be two. Two reeds, one is not working. Two reeds, one is not working. Working on two reeds. Not its best. Back notes now. One reed is not working, which it should be two. Like that. That's how it should be. The bass side now. sounds a bit like a melodeon, but it shouldn't be doing like that. So one of the reeds is not working there. So there we are. So this one needs repairing, accordion repairs. So this is a challenge for me to get this one working again. This one is made in France. The name is, where is it? On here, Saxon or something here. That's the model. So over it's made in France, this one. So it's a total wreck, as you can see. According to repairs. Okay, thank you, bye.